Hello, my dear crafters. So I am back. I was traveling and on vacation, and I'm sure you noticed because I didn't have a video last week. So today I thought you're going to have some tutorials very soon. I'm preparing a few videos, but today I'm going to show you a mystery box by EchoPark. I had never bought this before. And as I was traveling, you know how it is, it popped up on my feed, and I said, okay, I'm going to give it a try. So supposedly, that's what they say is that you get $175 worth of products and you pay $50, but you don't know what they're sending. So I decided to open my box with you so we can check this mystery box together. You guys know I love EchoPark. I don't have any affiliate links with them or any kind of commercial agreement, but I do love their stuff and I show them all the time on my videos. So I thought we would do this together. Let's open this box and see what they sent me. I hope they sent me some Christmas stuff because you know me, I love Christmas, and I do have a few craft fairs coming up, and one is in July. So, and also of course we always have our July, Christmas in July stuff. So here we are. Look at that. Well, I guess they send like a magazine. You get that for ideas. Let me just open it up and see what it's about. It's not really about what's inside, but showing some of the collections and some ideas on what to do with them. So that's great. Oh wow, it does look like there is a lot here. So first, let's look at the washi tape. Two washi tapes. One has bikes in them, and those are great because I do have some, like I said, a fair coming up for summer. Oh, and this one is like my travel, so great. I don't have anything travel, not much travel related at all, because I hardly ever use that kind of product, but it's always good to have. Um, Petals. I wonder what those are. Let me just look at the 6x6 paper pad. They have these big ones, the chunky ones. I think they call it mega pads, and that's what they sent me. And the theme of it is have faith. That's wonderful. Usually they have the original price here, so $5-6 for the 48. And what I love about the EchoPark paper is that it's always double-sided. It's great quality paper and double-sided. So it's not easy, as you know, to find double-sided paper in the market. Wow, I love this page. So very pretty, and I do love that this theme is related to faith, because I don't think I have anything related to faith at all, and I do have a few projects that are coming up, at least one that I remember now that I'm working on, which is for prayer cards. So yeah, I love these little churches. They're so cute. So very beautiful colors, a lot of paper, 48, guys. That's a great pad. And these are petals. I believe we create, yeah, that's what we create. We create a flower. I've never bought this before. So it comes with, I guess you go online and it comes with the instructions on how to put it together. That's a beautiful one. It's a great accent for a project. Stencil. I don't use much stencil, even though I have tons of them, because I used to do more stamping in the past. But anyway, we use that, I'm sure. Adhesive. I love breads. I love breads, and these are traveling related. I don't have much travel related paper or accents or ephemera or anything, but it does match my mood right now because I did a lot of traveling. Oh, I love that one. That's really nice. Yeah, good road vibes. Route 66, perfect for traveling. It's always good to have some, and yay, Christmas! So they did send me some Christmas products. I love puffy stickers. You guys see them on my projects all the time, especially the craft fair ones. And you know how it is, second semester's coming. So a lot of craft fairs. So some frames and Christmas related ephemera here. Chipboard, this is a chipboard. Another chipboard accents. Oh wow, crafts. I love craft related products because I have many friends. Oh, look at that. I have never seen a cutting machine before. Not as an accent or ephemera. Love it. Crafting keeps each day, keeps the day crazy away, I guess. There you are. Yeah, I have two of those. Oh my goodness, we have too much stuff, don't we? But anyway, love it. Love it's called yeah. I'll have the names below for you. This one is Sun Kissed, and it's this one I will use immediately because I have this summer. It's in August, beginning of August, craft fair, and I need some summer products, so I will use that. And these two because it's sunshine and summer related as well. And I love these frames, guys. It's not easy to find frames in the market, and I use a lot on my notebooks. They really do make things pop. Okay, fall. So I guess what they do is they send you a variety of themes. So we had traveling, we had faith, now we have fall, we had Christmas. Love this. Yeah, that would be for my craft fairs in the second semester. I have two or three. Yeah. Oh, so these are like sheets of cutouts, but they come pre-cut, so you just push it. Let me show you here. See, they come pre-cut, so you can just pull it off. Makes it much easier, in different themes as well. So this one is like not Christmas, but more like winter, but you can use it for Christmas for sure. And I do a lot of tea related things, so I love those. So one is yeah, winter. This one is for kids, I guess. Dinosaurs. Yeah, I don't do much for kids, which I actually should. I never think because when you're older and I don't have kids, so I don't have grandkids. Kids just never pop in my head, but I should do because people love that. So this one is for anniversary, anniversary and weddings. Yeah. So yeah, that's the other theme that I hardly ever even think about, but I guess we should because, there are always people getting married. Another one, winter. And I love that this is not just red and green, the basic Christmas colors, because I love when it's different colors, especially pastels like these. So, yeah, these would be nice. Love that. I had never seen the sheets like these, like pre-cut. You usually have to cut it, so this is great. Another one for kids, very colorful. Yeah, and I can use some of this for summer as well. Just chilling out. Well, it's actually not for kids. I guess it's just summer. So those were like 5 or 6 sheets of these pre-cut out cutouts and accents, and they sent me to 5, I believe, of these. These are what they call collections. So Echo Parks, you know how that works. So they come with paper, double-sided paper, and also one sheet with cutouts and stickers. I think it's stickers, yes. Yeah, there are stickers. So different collections. Wow, it's a lot of collections because these collections are pretty pricey. They're like $30 if you buy the whole thing, or at least 25. So they sent me at least 5 here. So let's just take a look. You can see the papers here. So those are the patterns, and it's called Best Summer Ever Collection Kit. So yeah, very, very nice. Let's just open one just so you have an idea of what these collections look like. So we have one sheet that is, these are stickers. So you just peel it off and you can use it as a decoration. I love it. And then you get the whole set of papers. And again, like I told you, what I love about their paper is that it's always double-sided. So you can always choose and use like one more that's solid on the inside, and for the outside, you can use one that has patterns. So very nice, great. This summer one is great, and I'm going to be using it very soon. I am preparing some videos for you. I missed last week, but I really decided to disconnect and rest. So yeah, and I had a great time. So Make a Wish is this one. So Birthday Boy, I should start creating some things for I do my kit. I remember when I do for craft fairs, I always have a kit for kids, some kind of activity kit or something with food related. So these would be great for that, really, because I usually struggle to find anything for kids. So that one was more like boy, gender related, and this one I guess it's called for girls. So a birthday wish to girl. So kind of the same collection, the same kind of thing, the sheet with the stickers and then the papers and some cutouts. The next one, oh, princess. Oh, I'm going to have to open this one, guys, because the little princess, I love princess and ballerinas. That's the child in me. I remember myself uh, dancing around the house and with my tutus on because I did ballet and I loved it. Oh wow, look at these. How cute are they? I love it. And the ballerina, they're always there. If you have princess, you have a ballerina. So beautiful princess. Oh, I love that. I'm going to make something for my goddaughter. She's going to love it. And these are the papers. Let's just quickly, just very quickly walk through the paper here. Beautiful patterns, very pastel. I love that because sometimes these princess things are so pink. And I love that this one doesn't go, it's not that way. It has some pink, but it's more pastel colors and you can see more, more variety of colors. So beautiful paper, great quality as usual. And just so if you're wondering, you get 12 sheets of paper plus the stickers, and you also have the cutouts. So look, oh, I love these little hearts. Wow, these will be great. These are great if you make mini albums. Those will be great for kids. You can really, in boxes, I always make my own boxes for my gifts. So those are great to decorate as well. So there you go, another collection. And I believe this is the last one. Let me just check it. Yeah, last one is Zoo Adventure. So for kids again, I'm glad I got some kids stuff because I really don't have much at all because I never buy it. I always go for floral and some theme related ones. So basically, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 collections. Excellent. So it's a great price, $50 for all of this. So the chipboard accents and frames, I got 5 as well. So I just wanted to have an idea. Also puffy stickers, all of this for $50. The breads, let's just review everything. The mega pad, and this paper is quite thick, guys. It's really cardstock. The stencil and the paddles, oh, and the washi tapes, the 2 washi tapes. Let me just grab them. So all of these for $50. So totally worth it. So I will be back with my tutorials. I missed you guys. I had a great vacation. And I will let you know when EchoPark does this again, okay? Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.